Hey guys, welcome to another Scuderia car parts video, and today another Ferrari 812 Superfast. This is a colour we haven't seen before. This is finished in Grigio Titanium Metallic, which is a really nice, slightly unusual grey. This car is in for a Novitec exhaust system, and it's the stage 2, which means that we are replacing the rear silencers with the Novitec rear silencers. In the middle of the car, we'll be taking out the middle muffler and replacing that with an X-pipe. Obviously the X-pipe, as we've said many times, what it does is it blends the two banks of exhausts together, and when they collide, the two sound waves hit one another and they create a bunch of harmonics, which leads to a higher pitched exhaust note. So it's that F1 scream that everyone desires from their Ferrari V12 engines. So this is now finished. The only thing we have left to do is go and listen to it, and I believe, if I'm correct, this will be the first of the 812s that we've done and filmed one of these videos on that we've only done the stage 2 exhaust on, as opposed to the Sports Cats or DCAT N-Largo system. So let's go and have a listen to how it sounds.
And we're not done yet. What happened was this: we gave the car back to the customer and he loved it. It sounded really good, but you know what? Surprise, surprise, it wasn't enough for him. So we had kind of one last thing we could do, because as we said, we've now done stage 2 on this exhaust. We've done the rear boxes and we've done the X-pipe. So the only thing we could change are the catalytic converters. Now, as we've said before many times, the standard cats are 800 cell, meaning there are 800 cells in the mesh per square inch. And we could either change them for DCAT pipes, but for those of us who are more environmentally minded, obviously that could in some scenarios lead to a fuel smell in the cabin, which is not desirable, and it also leads to much higher emissions. So DCAT was out the window. What this left us with was the option of doing sports cats. So there's a couple of people who do sport cats, and luckily we actually had a set of Novitec Sports Cats on the shelf. Now, these sport cats are 100 cell, meaning there are 100 cells per square inch in the mesh in the catalytic converter. And really, if we're totally honest, this may actually be the best sounding 812 we've done today. We've now done every configuration. We've done stage 1, which is just the back boxes. We've done stage 2, which is back boxes and X-pipe. And we've now done this, which I guess is kind of stage 2.5 with the sports cat. And then we've done stage 3, which is the DCAT. The DCAT is obnoxiously loud in the best way. It sounds incredible. It's completely visceral, almost bordering on overwhelming. It's exactly what you want from your 800 horsepower monster. But what this allows you to do is to approach the same level of volume, no fuel smell, and much more regulated emissions. What we'll do is we will now compare, I guess, the original exhaust with the stage 2 and then finally the stage 2.5, and you can decide what sounds best. But yeah, let us know.